Uh, Current research ecosystem in India is good, but still it needs huge boost from the government sector and from the industrial sector to boost the research number of research students pursuing research in India, and also to do more research activities in India itself. A few of the things which can be done from the government perspective are like, from the institute perspective, actually it should be more, it should fund at least one conference, abroad conference, and one Indian conference, and national conference. The funding itself is now very minimal. It can't even bear the registration charges for the students to attend a international conference. Rather than giving a fixed amount of fund, institute should focus on funding the whole conference attending for students attending the conference. And also it should be based on the conference location and the type of conference which students are attending, rather than the amount which has been fixed for the particular student for the whole PhD tenure as such. The other, though there are few, this is in need because though there are few other organizations which provide funding to the students, but the paperwork which is required to get the funding from that sources is very high, and also the likely chances of getting the funding is very minimal for the students, and given the duration of the things where getting the acceptance letter to the actual conference date, and the time schedule may be very little, and students with the meager amount of funding, monthly scholarship the students get, it will become impossible for the students to chip in their own money and attend the conference abroad. In this regard, I think institute can do a lot better in providing much more facilities to attend a conference abroad. The other aspect would be like research students as well as course students should be exposed to industrial internship at least for a duration of 2 to 3 months in their career, in the academic career at least, which is very well lacking. Most of the research students are very much focused on the research activities, and the course students are focused on the course and their project aspect as such. But the actual industrial exposure the students get is only after they join the industry, rather than prior being exposed to the industrial experience as such. The other aspect where the research in India can be get a major boost is from the industrial sector as such. The industry should come forward and pitch forth their problems they are facing to the institutions, and then ask for the solutions from the research community, rather than getting the product from the abroad directly. Though it may take time for the research organizations to give a solution which is in par with the already established research nations products which are coming from the research nations, advanced nations. But what would it do is it would give the research organization a major boost in developing their own benchmark kind of research establishments and qualities, and exposure to that kind of problems and scenarios. And once the benchmark and their level of expertise is set, and furthering the research in getting a better product than the present industrial standards or the even international standards, would be much more easier for Indian research community or space community, rather than always depending on the foreign vendors based on their embargoes and all. It's better to develop in-house research capabilities rather than depending on somebody else.